French country kitchens. French country kitchens embody the beauty and character of rural France. With natural materials and earth tones foremost in the color palette, a country French kitchen design creates the perfect environment for comfortable living and authentic cooking. Setting the mood, sometimes rustic and often cozy, country French kitchens have a timeless and natural appearance. Wide planked wood floors, antique brass hardware, stoneware, terracotta, wrought iron, fabric, and copper all contribute to the authentic atmosphere of the French country lifestyle. Inspired by the French countryside, with a close bond to the outdoors and rural life, country French kitchens derive their colors, decor, and ambience from the charm and beauty of the French countryside. Lavender fields at sunset, an autumn vineyard in Alsace, a hillside village in Provence, rustic farmhouses in Colmar, and verdant hills in Perigord each lend inspiration to varied elements in the kitchen. Decorating ideas. Kitchens in the French country style tend to celebrate culinary equipment, not hide it away. Cooking utensils, pots, and pans are often displayed for both visual appeal and easy access. These can be hung on the hearth or on a hanging pot rack over the kitchen island. Enliven the decor with fabrics, flowers, fruit, bread, and wine out on display in baskets, open shelves, or on the countertop. Completing the look, try dressing up your country French kitchen cabinets with leaded glass or wire grilled or panel inserts, adding some lights to illuminate the cabinetry from within. For an authentic look, paint walls, cabinets, and paneling with impressionistic colors including lavender, cobalt blue, and antique white. In lieu of glossy polished countertops, consider using honed granite or marble which has a more earthy satin appearance.